Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or to solve any problem that you have on Zedge app. To know how to fix or to solve any problem that you have on Zedge app, you should just go to settings. Then we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this list, you will search about this window of Zedge. Here in this page of app info, you will click force stop. After that, you'll enter to storage. Then we click clear cache. And in the end, you can go to Play Store here. You will search about Zedge and you can click update if you will find it here in this plus sign. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.